Hi viewers, welcome to Market Madi. We are discussing in this video about two option strategies. One, short straddle or strangle. Another is naked option with trend levels. And we will explain which one is better in this video. Short straddle, short strangle are two strategies that are used by many traders nowadays. These two strategies are promoted by many YouTube channels as regular income strategies. Are they really regular income strategies? If you just question, all know that the answer is no. Short straddle, short strangle are high investment, high risk strategies that work only in range bound markets. If traders don't do timely adjustments, it will lead to losses. What is short straddle? Short straddle is a strategy where we sell a call and a put option with a stop loss on both sides. This is short straddle. When markets open in morning, traders don't know the direction of markets, either Nifty or BANKNIFTY. So they wait for 5 minutes candle or 9:20, 9:30, 10 a.m. to decide on trades. These timings are not traders' choice but given by YouTube channels. The reason only they know, because they don't have any idea. So at 9:30 or 10 or 9:45, whatever it is the time, they will go for buying a call and buying a put. After taking short straddle, short strangle position by selling call and put with stop loss on both sides, traders immediately open their Nifty or BANKNIFTY spot chart. Traders will add candlesticks, indicators, then start studying patterns of candlesticks only to find out resistance and supports without looking into the two options charts. Total problem for short straddle strangle traders starts here only. They trade options based on spot Nifty and BANKNIFTY candlestick charts. Studying candlestick charts is very strenuous work and will not allow traders to think and act at right time for adjustments. At the end of the week, with 2 lakhs capital, the income is negligible or loss is negligible. If it is carried forwarded, then it may lead to disasters. Then can we make a short straddle or short strangle simple and easy for trading? This is only a question many have, but they don't know how to do. Here we are just telling to say, yes, we can make it very simple. As I told you already, all the problems in short straddles are due to studying spot Nifty and BANKNIFTY while trading options. In addition to candlesticks, indicators, patterns add lot of tension and confusion. So solution for this is stop using spot Nifty charts for short strangle, stop using candlesticks, its patterns, stop using indicators except open interest. Then how to know the straddle movement? Let us go to Nifty 50 chart, click in display box, select two charts, click on it. You will see a box. Then enter two options for which you want to go for short straddle. Press OK. Then you can see your call option and put options, live graphs, live charts trading in front of you. To study and understand, add open interest from studies as an indicator for guidance. With this, you are independent in trading. We have added here Nifty candlestick charts and 17,800 Nifty call option and 17,800 put option at a time images. Here this you can try during trading time along with open interest we have added. So always see Nifty call option and put option together along with open interest. It will be of great help to you to cross check your stop losses, to cross check everything. Don't depend on spot charts. So dear traders, the solution for short strangle to be easy is only using your call and put options to be seen in live. You have to put in two charts your call and put options along with open interest as an indicator and watch. Then you will really enjoy trading. Next, option strategy number 2. Naked selling or naked buying with trend levels and hedging. Naked selling. See, suppose if you want to sell a call or a put, the naked selling normally no one prefers because they are afraid if it reverses it will lead to unlimited loss. Here We are giving for the last almost more than 7 to 8 months trend levels of Nifty and Bank Nifty every day. Especially for the last 2 months, we have been posting continuously trend levels of Nifty and Bank Nifty. Here, the trend levels of Nifty is, say, trend range level, when it gets reversed from up to down, whatever it crossing is uptrend, breaking is downtrend. Above that, we are giving levels of upside 3-4 levels, downside 3-4 levels. If these levels are available, you don't need to worry because you are very clear where the market is going, where the Nifty is going, or where the Bank Nifty is going. Here, if you see yesterday, 17,736 is trend change level. When it crosses at the last hour, it almost shot up by 60-70 points. Imagine if you sell a 17,700 put, or if you take 17,000 call, what will be the situation for you yesterday? So you just similarly, Bank Nifty 41,348 is trend change level of Bank Nifty. Especially when it is breaking yesterday, when it broke yesterday morning, it fell down almost and it came to first level. So you watch these trend levels, use them and simply go for naked trading, naked buying or selling. But only precaution to be taken is because trend levels, if level changes, it will become sell. If level crosses, it will become buy. So there you have to only take as a precaution is you just add a buy or sell hedging. You just do buy or sell. So if you sell a put as your naked put selling, then you have to take a put option of below level. You have to buy a put option of below level. Suppose if you sell a call, then you have to take a call of higher level buying. Simple. These 2 steps will make your trading so easy, where you don't need to worry about buying a call, selling a call, then put stop loss. If stop loss is hit, then adjustments, then again shift your trading. You don't need to do so many trades. Simple is sell a call, then buy a call as hedging of next level, or sell a put, or buy a put of below level. Simple. Or buy a call and buy a put of below level if you are a buyer. Similarly, buy a put and buy a call of next level if you are an option buyer. This is simple. We generate trend levels with automation and simple coding with a click. To generate one resistance, one support, you have been seeing for almost so many years. People use so many candlesticks, so many indicators, so many patterns only to know one resistance and support, which we are giving ready-made, ready-to-use trend levels. You can use both the option strategies, either short straddle or short strangle, or you can use simply option trading or naked option trading by using trend levels. Both are going to be very simple. Only if you see options in 2 charts, what you are trading, you just watch in simple options. You just watch in live with open interest. This gives you a simple and happy trading. If you feel our content is different and not regular what you are seeing, then like, share and subscribe to Market Maddie. We generate all these levels through automation and encourage automation. Thank you.